those I had. Hey! Forgot about these. These are the little brass bastards that sliced my hand open back in 2016. Oh. Oh my God. Some of these little brass bobishes are very sharp. Still the same hat, by the way. I don't think I've washed it since. I was hoping this week to finish up a set of giant metal nerd dice, but in one weekend both my air compressor and my metal bandsaw gave up the ghost. So I pulled out my idea list and found an old project that both fits the season and that I think I can get done with just what I've got here in the shop. Oh, God. That is creepy. That is creepy. All right, so you can tell me I just suck at welding, and I'm sure someone will because, you know, internet, but I wanted these joints nice and blobby to accentuate the spider's elbows, knees. Are these shoulders? Do spiders have armpits? Anyway, I was going to paint this, but I think I'm just going to try to blue the rest of these tips like this one and just give it a clear coat. Interesting. That is unusual for one of these to be soldered. It's usually screw terminals. And I am auctioning off this lamp on eBay right now, so follow the link down in the video description if you'd like to place a bid. It's only going to be up for a few days, so be sure to get in early, but you should be able to receive it in time for Halloween. Also, if you'd like to help support this channel, there are multiple ways to do that. Also in the video description, I've got a Patreon where you can see behind the scenes footage. There are links to merch, and of course you can just subscribe if you'd like to see more. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you again soon. Spider lamp, I hung it up with a squeezy clamp. Watch out for the video about the spider lamp. So tired.